guys, it's Minister Style, and today's video I'm going to be making a bee slime. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notification bells so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get started. First you need 2 bowls to separate the colors, which is black and yellow. Now you need some glue. I have my glues and now we need the colors, black and yellow.
So I have the yellow, you will add 2 drops to the yellow one. Okay, now we have some black, so 2 drops of it.
A pinch of salt, or maybe 2. Okay, now we just mix. Okay, so now once everything's done, I'm going to be adding some activator, and it's actually some contact solution. And if you want it to be stronger, you can add some baking soda inside and shake it, and then it will be very strong. So I'm going to be adding some 2 sprays of activator. And I'm going to mix that, and you know when it comes when it starts to clump up, and then you can just knead it. So let's just make this faster. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, this is the slime, and it's actually pretty small. And then see, the black slime, it didn't really work out. I do not know why, but please comment below what I did wrong. Maybe I did too much food coloring, I think that's why. But we can still make it look prettier. So I have a bee charm, as you can see.
And I have some red glitter, I do not have black. So I'm going to roll up in a bowl. I'm adding some glitter.
There we go. And we have a bee screenshot. So now let's do ASMR. Okay guys, so that was it for the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm so sorry about the black slime and it didn't turn out that I wanted to be, but don't worry, I'll be still having some more ideas of some more slime. And if you guys have more like stuff I can do in my channel, please comment below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, peace.